Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 not launching. So let's start. For the first step, go to the Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. Make sure to open it. Now this window will pop up. Now go to Display Adapters, open it. After that, go to your graphics card. Make sure you select the NVIDIA or AMD, not the integrated one. Right click on it. After that, select Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers. After that, select Close. Once you do that, do the same thing for the processors. Open it, right click, Update Driver, Search. After that, select Close. The next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA app. You will find it displayed right here. If you can't find it, you just need to download it from the browser, or you just have an AMD graphics card. Just select it. After that, you just need to sign up or log in with your right information and go to the left menu and select drivers. After that, you need to download the available ready driver you will find right here. So select the install button on the right. After that, select express or custom as you like and select continue to start the process of the installation. Next, you need to open the launcher that you have the game on. For me it's Steam. After that, go top left corner to the Steam logo right here and select check for Steam client updates. Now just wait for the moment. If you do have an older version, the download button will pop up right here. Otherwise you're good to go, so select close. After that, go to library and click on collections and then search for Battlefield 6. And once you find the game, I'm just gonna show you with this one. So select it and go to this gear icon. After that, click on properties. This tab will open, so make sure to go to installed files. After that, make sure to click on verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted or missing file in Battlefield will be recovered safely without the need to install the game from the start. Just wait for the process to finish and that's it. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.